You've just won hundreds of millions of dollars. Reporters call you an overnight success. Friends start texting you. Relatives you haven't spoken to in years suddenly remember your number. Everyone says your life is set forever, but within a few years, you're bankrupt. This is the shocking reality for nearly 9 out of 10 lottery millionaires. Today, we'll uncover what really happens after the cameras fade, the rise and fall of real lottery winners, the psychology that drains their fortune, and the simple plan that can protect any sudden wealth. Because this isn't just about lottery tickets. It's about what happens when money arrives faster than wisdom. In 2002, Jack Whittaker from West Virginia won $315 million in the Powerball. Overnight, he became a national headline. He gave money to churches, friends, charities. He was generous, confident, unstoppable. But within just 4 years, he was broke, facing lawsuits and devastating personal losses. Sadly, his story isn't rare. It's a pattern that keeps repeating across countries and decades. The traps. Trap 1. Lifestyle creep. The moment the jackpot clears, spending starts. A bigger house, new cars, private jets, gifts. But the costs never end. Property taxes, insurance, maintenance, security. Sharon Tirabassi, a Canadian winner of $10 million, bought luxury homes and cars for friends and family. A decade later, she was back on public transport. The purchases felt like freedom. They became chains of expenses. Trap 2. Financial illiteracy. Managing $500 a week is different from managing $50 million. Without guidance, most winners don't build a system, they build a shopping list. William Bud Post won $16 million in the 90s. He bought airplanes, lent money to family, and within a year, he was bankrupt and in debt. The lesson is simple. Money without a plan creates chaos faster than poverty ever could. Trap 3. Social pressure. The moment you win, you inherit a new problem. Everyone else's. Friends, relatives, and even strangers line up with urgent needs. Saying no feels cruel, so people say yes until nothing is left. Evelyn Adams won the New Jersey lottery twice, over $5 million combined, and gave most of it away. Today, she lives in a trailer. Studies by the National Endowment for Financial Education show that roughly 70% of windfall recipients, lottery, inheritance, or lawsuit, go broke within a few years. For lottery winners, state audits suggest the number can reach 90%. It's not because they're bad with math, it's because they're human. The brain isn't wired for sudden abundance. We underestimate how fast large numbers shrink when emotions drive decisions. So how do you avoid the lottery curse? Even if your jackpot is a big bonus, an inheritance, or a viral business success, the rules are the same. 1. Build a team, a trustworthy accountant, lawyer, and financial advisor. 2. Park the money. Do nothing for 6 months while you plan. 3. Live off the interest. Never touch the principal. 4. Diversify. Spread your assets so no single mistake can wipe you out. You don't need to win the lottery to face these traps. Any sudden cash, a bonus, a business exit, or viral income can vanish if you don't manage it right. And this was just one story of wealth gone wrong. Next, we'll uncover how McDonald's built a money machine that doesn't depend on burgers at all. Subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson in building real wealth. Lottery winners prove that money alone can't buy security. Discipline can. The difference between broke and free isn't luck, it's structure. Whether you earn $1,000 or $1 million, build the habits now so when your windfall comes, you'll be ready to keep it. Power players, listen carefully. We are not born with every kind of knowledge. We learn by observing, by seeing how people solve real problems, storing that knowledge in our minds, and later using it to solve our own. Business works the same way. When you start a business, you don't automatically know how to solve every problem. You have to think, experiment, and test many ideas. But if you already understand how other businesses faced problems and solved them, you can apply that knowledge to your own business much faster. That's why I wrote the ebook 100 Real Business Problems and Solutions. In this book, you'll learn how real companies face difficult problems and the exact ways they solve them. And the truth is, many of these problems appear in almost every business. So grab the book, store those lessons in your mind, and when similar challenges appear in your business, you'll solve them almost without realizing you were even in a problem. That's the power of learning. Now let's get back to the video.